SISA Academy of Nursing Amadi Nursing Department of SISA Hospital and Research Institute 3 Private Limited na Manipur Nursing Council MNC ga khutsamnaduna Our Nurses, Our Future, Caring for Nurses Strengthen Economics Haiba Hiramda State Level Conference ama pangthokre. Lamfelda Leiba SISA Academy of Health Sciences ki Hall Z da pangthokiba thoram aduga mari leinana Sri Private Limited ki Chairman cum Managing Director Dr. KH Palin na haikibada Nursing system gi backbone ama oiriba nursing na anaba misak amabu ningthina yengsinba amadi seba tawbiduna patients singbu fagalaknaba honaba amadi makhoigi chokthaba naidraba contributions sing asi changdamningai leite ngasidagi matam kharagi matungda nursing hairiba sinfam asina economy dasu chawna ahongba piba ngambata natana healthcare gi lamdasu henna chaokhatpa oirakkani amadi hojik oirakliba advanced medical technology sing gi maramda khang haiba khak natana research amadi practice tawba mathau tai haikibaga loinana modern nursing gi founder Florence Nightingale gi Matamdasu, Mahaki Hotnabakanba Amadi, nursing lamda, Mahakna Loramba Taudang Singi Maramdasu, Mafum Kayada, Fundoknaki.
Nurses will play an increasing vital role in driving economic growth and improving the healthcare outcome. With the global healthcare landscape evolving rapidly, nurses must stay abreast of the latest advancement in medical technology, research and best practices. Today's topics are very relevant, including the palliative care, which is becoming a very important issue. 10% of the population are suffering silently. They are not seen, but they are suffering, and we have to step inside, invest in nursing, future of nursing, and holistic care. The continuing nursing education program at SHAS is a testament of the commitment to excellence in nursing practice